Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 22 May Lane. This is a spacious 2-bedroom end terrace property with a long garden to the rear. Okay, and then moving into the property, we have a porch which opens into the hallway, where we have a built-in understairs pantry, and the first reception room here on the right hand side. Nice bay window with shutters there to the front aspect. Currently used as a working space. And then continuing through to the second reception room, a particularly good sized room. And we have the stairs going up to the first floor in the corner. And then into the kitchen. Where we have a door leading out into the rear garden. And moving on to the first floor, and we have the main bedroom here, really good size. And having two windows to the front aspect. And moving across into the second bedroom. And again, really good sized room. And then from here we have a view across the garden to the rear. And there's also a built-in cupboard in the corner. And through to the bathroom. Where we have a bath with a mixer shower above. Okay, and then moving outside, and we have two outbuildings here on the left hand side, providing some further storage space and having plumbing for the washing machine as well. And then moving along, we have a lawned section. With hedged and fenced boundaries. Continuing to the far end of the garden, where we have a lovely summer house here, fairly new building, like a nice studio. Rear of the garden, and that concludes the online viewing. And if you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call the office as soon as you can, and we will hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.